This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice recognition, a sunroof, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, wireless headphones, leather seats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.